The only car I could never like get rid of is Drac, man.
Drac,
Yeah.
okay.
Cause
but the other ones you just like.
even my Bentley, it was like it was cool.
Yeah, the white one, right?
Yeah. Even it was cool, but you know, it's like it ain't. My heart and soul is really with old school.
Gotcha.
Like that's really what
I told him that, and I told him that. I was like, he's like in the box Chevys, the Dunks and stuff like that.
Yeah. So, you know, that's really what my passion. This stuff is cool though, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's cool, and it definitely has a following. Yeah. But you know, my whole hardcore core has always been old school. Gotcha. I had G-bodies since, you know what I'm saying, I was very young. I started buying G-bodies and always loved them, you know what I'm saying? So,
okay. But just know I'm gonna take care of it.
Oh, that's what's up. That's
I'm gonna take care of it.
I want to.
Gonna take care of it. Yep.
So. Okay, all right. And when you said, I was like, I knew I had something, but I ain't know it was this.
You know, you could have possibly have had the 1,000 or the 500.
Or the 500, yeah. So, but I was like, and then on another story, right? He and I was talking, like this is my brother. Okay. So he and I was talking, and our other brother has a Corvette C7. Okay. So we were saying, we should get Corvettes so all three of us can have Corvettes. I was like, I told him, I was straight off, I was like, I already got one. I said, I already got one. No lie. I said, I already got one. Yeah, I said, I won one. He was like, you want one? I was like, no, I won one. And that was the day before that you called me. What? That was not even 24 hours. And when you called me, it was like so fucking surreal. Wow. Like so for real. And he was like, you want one? I was like, no, I won one. I got one. You got to get yours.
Yeah, it was like around 10 o'clock at night.
Yeah. Wow. And you did it that morning. I was like, damn. Yo. So
you gotta believe.
You got to. You have to. You know what I'm saying? And speak what you want into your life. That's how I see it. You know what I'm saying? Anything you want is possible.
It really is.
You know what I'm saying? And everything you get, you don't have to actually pay for. Well, I paid $134 for this car. Come on, bro. $134. Wow. Come on, bro.
So let me ask you this. What do you want to tell them, like what area the car gonna be going to?
It's going to Virginia.
Okay, Virginia, guys.
Yeah, we drove all the way from Virginia.
Yeah, so all my people in Virginia, because I got a lot of subscribers in Virginia, make sure y'all look out for this car.
Oh, y'all go see it. Y'all go see it.
Pull up to any car shows, anything?
I am.
Okay.
Actually, I am.
So y'all make sure y'all follow him. Instagram, you got Instagram?
Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Rolling with Sid.
Okay, Rolling with Sid. Follow him, guys. Y'all make sure y'all go. Y'all gonna be able to see Cavari live and in person. Y'all know I was in South Carolina earlier this year with the car, and I think some people from Virginia came out.
Yeah, so I was watching that one.
But yeah, guys, anybody in the Virginia area, y'all guys, watch out for this car. Make sure y'all follow him on all platforms so that y'all can keep up with Cavari, man. That's gonna be important.
Yeah, because Cavari that's it. That is it.
Let me show you the next two giveaway cars back here. We got the huge
and like you know everybody else says that's wrong.
Yeah.
They're not always real, but I love it, man. I love what you're doing, man.
Yeah.
Don't keep it up.
Appreciate that, brother.
And Paul,
thank you, bro.
Ocean, that's ocean.
I know, man.
Ocean.
Yeah. Check it out. Look at do it.
Wow. I saw when you went and picked it up. I was like, oh. You gonna get that right there.
Yeah. No, I had to get this.
Wow.
I'm about to go to the interior shop today, and we're gonna redo the interior.
Okay.
Yeah.
You got some other plans for the interior?
Yeah, I'm gonna redo it.
Do the whole thing?
Yeah, redo all the well, as far as the seats, all the leather.
Gotcha.
Redo all the leather on it. I ordered some new wheels for it yesterday.
Okay.
We just gonna, put the stunner twist to it.
Yeah, you gotta put your thing on it.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? You gotta put your thing on it.
Yep.
That stamp on it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Wow.
All right. Let's go. Yes, sir. He about to pull out. Yes, sir. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Y'all make sure y'all check him out on all platforms, man. We're gonna be having Cavari on there, Rolling with Sid, YouTube, TikTok, everything, Instagram. Yeah. So make sure y'all check him out, man. My dog, he's on the way. to Virginia.